Hey everyone, and welcome to my Rubik's Cube tutorials. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to insert the edge pieces in order to finish the second step of CFOP, solving the first two layers. Once we're done with this step, the Rubik's Cube will look like this. Starting off, we will need to be in a position where we just solve the first layer's corners, making the white side as well as the first layer complete. Now the process for inserting edges is really similar to how we inserted the corners. First, we need to find a good edge piece, then we need to align it, and then we will use a special algorithm to insert it. A quick and easy way to find a viable edge piece is by looking in the top layer for an edge piece that has no yellow. For example, we have this one right here. This edge piece is orange and blue. Now we need to align our edge piece. So all you need to do is turn the top layer until the color of the edge piece that's facing you is the same as the color of the side that it's on. Basically until it matches the color of the center. So for this edge piece, we can turn the top layer until this blue matches with the blue center. Now that it's aligned, we have to decide whether the piece's home is either to the left or to the right. We can figure this out by looking at the other color of the edge piece. In this case, the other color is orange, and the orange side is to the left. So the piece's home would be to the left. In order to insert this edge piece, since the home is to the left, we're going to do these moves. U prime, L prime, U, L. And, oh no, look at that. One of the corner pieces has popped out from the bottom. For this corner piece, you must insert it back using the slow way. So if you don't remember how to do that, you hold it so that the corner is on the right, and then you do these moves. U, R, U prime, R prime. And there you go, the corner piece has been inserted. But if you look carefully, the edge piece is also in its home. Here's another example, but this time, the edge piece's home is to the right, because the other color is red, and the red side is to the right. For this case, we need to do these moves instead. U, R, U prime, R prime. Now would you look at that? A corner piece got popped out from the bottom again. So again, we need to insert this corner piece back the slow way. So that would be like this. U prime, L prime, U, L. And there you go, our corner piece has been inserted back, but if you look carefully, our edge piece was also put back. As you can see, by doing it the slow way, the edge piece also gets inserted alongside the corner. That's why this step in CFOP is called the first two layers, because the first two layers are solved at the same time. Now sometimes you won't be able to find an edge piece in the top layer, but your first two layers aren't finished yet. This is because there's an edge piece that's stuck in a location that's not its home. Here's an example. This edge piece is stuck in the second layer, but this green does not match the red, and this red does not match the green. In order to bump this edge piece out, all we need to do is insert a random useless edge piece from the top layer in its place. Here's an example of that. Let's say we wanted to insert this yellow and blue edge piece into this place. All we need to do is imagine that this piece's home is to the right, and then insert it. So the moves for that would be U, R, U prime, R prime. And now we have our corner piece that has been popped out from the bottom layer, so we can just insert it the slow way again. That would be U prime, L prime, U, L. And now our corner piece is back, but as you can see, this edge piece got inserted like we wanted it to, and the edge piece that was stuck is now out here in the top layer. So now we can insert it in its right place. So let's do that now. First, we need to line it up. So this color is red, so we can turn the top layer until it matches with the red side. Now we have to decide whether this piece's home is on the left or the right. We can do that by looking at the color up top. In this case, it's green. And green is on the right side, so the piece's home is on the right. In this case, all we need to do is U, R, U prime, R prime. And now that our corner has been popped out, we can just insert it back using the slow way. So that would be U prime, L prime, U, L. And there you go, our corner is back and the edge piece came with it. Once you've inserted all 4 edges, you'll be done with the first 2 layers. Alright, that's it for this video on inserting edges. Now that we've completed the F in CFOP, in the next video, we will be starting the next step, orienting the last layer. Once we're done with that step, it will look like this. If you found this video interesting or learned something, click the like button. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. Goodbye for now.